Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, and here we are again. Very excited to be with you as always. Let's start with a game, shall we? Okay, so we did this last time, and we're gonna keep doing it, but this time instead of numbers, I'm gonna have dots. Okay, so if there's two dots, right, then that's two. So we would clap twice. So you ready? 1, 2. Okay, you do it. 1, 2. Excellent. So I'm going to take these dot cards. I have lots of dot cards. Woo, lots of dots. All right, I'm going to shuffle them up. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Okay, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. All right, I'll take out the 2 one because I already did that one. All right, so I'm going to shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Okay, so I'm going to put these down. And I'm going to take these, and I'm also going to shuffle them. Okay, and I'll put them face down. All right, so I'm going to turn one over. So we're going to do shoulders how many times? Let's find out. Actually, let's move this here. Okay, this many times. How many dots are there? What do you see? How many dots do you see? Do you see one? Show me number of fingers. How many dots do you see? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are five dots. Okay? So we're going to do our shoulders 5 times. Ready? Do it with me. Do it with me. Okay, ready? I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, go. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 5 times. Nice job. Okay, let's do another one. What's it going to be this time? It's going to be nose, and it's going to be 2 times. Huh. So, interestingly, boys and girls, last time the 2 looked like this. But does that still 2? So what we're going to be working on this week, okay, girls and boys, is do numbers, are they equal even if the dots or the objects are in different places? So we're going to find out, right? So it looked like this before, and then they turned like this. Are there still 2? Let's count. 1, 2. Yeah. So let's touch your nose twice. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. All right. Nice job. All right. Let's go a little faster, okay? Mr. McAndrew's got to get it going here. All right. We're going to do our forehead this time, and it's going to be this many times. How many dots do we have this time? Show me number of fingers. How many dots do you have? Yeah, I also get 5 again. Okay? So this time the 5 looks different. Last time it looked like this. Right? But this time it looks like this. But it's still 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 here. Okay, so forehead twice. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should have tapped your forehead 5 times. All right, let's do a different one. This time, I like this one. It's going to be knees, and it's going to be how many times? How many dots do we have? How fast can you figure it out? Show me number of fingers. Is it 1 dot that you see? 2, 3, or 4? If you said 4, you're correct. Okay, if you're doing your best, but you still are trying to figure it out, that's okay. Your brain's growing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 up top and then 4. Okay, so let's do our knees 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, awesome. Let's try one more. Maybe 2 more. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, wait. We already did knees. Let's do, that one's hair. Let's do something more fun. Oh, I like this one. This is a good one. Up. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, how many dots are there now? How many dots are there now? Can you count? How many dots? Show me number of fingers. Is it 1 dot? 2 dots? 3 dots? 4 dots? Or 5 dots? Again, it is 5 dots. Yeah. So, right before, it looked like We had it looking like this, that was 5. And we had it looking like this, that was 5. But now, those 5 dots look like this, but it's still 5. No matter how they look, there's still 5 dots. How do we know? Well, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No matter how I count them, I get 5. Okay, let's do the fun part. We're going to go like this 5 times, okay, on my count. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent job. Lots of 5s today. Okay, so today is going to be a number 1 day as usual. I would like you, if you have this, to take this out. This is called, actually you don't have to take it out, but you can if you want. It's kind of up to you. You're just going to watch me for now. This is called, if you've probably seen it before, it's called a Reckon Wreck. A what, Mr. McAndrew? That's a silly name. Yeah, it's called a Reckon Wreck. It comes from, I think it comes from Norway or Sweden, someplace like that. I think it's Norway. Anyways, a Reckon Wreck is really fun and really useful for learning numbers. So since today's number is 1, okay, we're going to slide. So you can see all the beads are off to this side, on the right side, right? And we've got 5 red. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red and 5 white on the top. And then we have 5 red, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 white on the bottom. So anytime I slide a bead over, that counts as a number, okay? So what are some ways I could show the number 1? Well, in this case, there's really only 2 different ways I could do it, right? So I could show 1 like this, because I put 1 red bead over on this side, so that counts as 1. Okay, we're not going to count these. We're going to like cover those up, okay? In fact, I might just go like this. I'm going to cover those up. So I have 1. Is there another way I could show 1? I could put this one back, and I could slide the bottom one down. And now I have that one. Okay, so even whether the 1 is down here or up here, it's still 1. Okay, so what I would like you to do, we'll keep working with the Reckon Wreck the rest of the week. What I would like you to do is take out your math packet. It says Monday. Let me move my face out of the way. Mr. McAndrew, move your face out of the way. All right, move your face. Okay, so at the top, put your name, s'il vous plaît. That means please. So I'm going to write Mr. McAndrew. Do not write my name at the top of your paper because it's your paper. So write your name, okay? So let's see what it says. It says put 1 cube in each box below, but in a different part of the box, and then draw a square where you put the cube. Watch Mr. McAndrew's video to help. All right, well, here we are. Mr. McAndrew, ready to help. So you need one of your cubes, looks like this, okay? One of these guys, just take 1, all right? And it says to put it in the box, but in a different part of the box. Okay, so what does that mean? It means this. I'm going to put this cube in this part of the box, okay? And then I'm going to draw a square right where I put it. Now I can take it away and put a square, or if it's easier for you, you can just hold it down and draw around it like this. I'll just kind of connect it like this. Okay, so that's where I put, just kind of color it in a little bit. That's where I put my 1 cube. All right, now that's 1 box, right? In the next box, I'm going to put the cube in a different spot. So maybe I'll put it over here. Or maybe I'll put it in the middle. Or maybe I'll put it in the middle but at the bottom of the middle. Ooh. Or maybe I'll put it like right there, a little bit over. So let's do one more together. I'm going to put this way in the corner over here. So I got that. So I'm going to go like this. Shade that in. Okay, so I put the cube, that's 1, that's also 1. So what I want you to see is that no matter where I put this cube in the box, it's still 1, right? Okay, so you've got 2 more boxes. So I want you to pause the video, or when I'm done with the video, you can go back. And I want you to put the cube in 2 more spots. So maybe you could put it here, maybe you could put it there. But each time it's in a box, it should be in a different place. Okay? All right. So if you need to pause the video, do that now. Otherwise, please turn to the next page, which should also look like, this. Okay? So it says Monday on it, and it says the number 1. Okay? And there's a spot for your name, although if it's on the front page, you might be fine. So let's turn it this way so we can see the hands. Okay? So these are just like a hand, okay? Looks just like, actually it would be this hand. No, it would be, nope, it would be this hand, yeah. Okay, so it looks like this hand, right? So I can hold up, which different fingers can you hold up? Just one. Now remember, there's only one finger you can't just hold up by itself. That's the middle finger, because that's being mean, right? We don't do that. So just trust me, we don't hold up just this finger. But I could hold up just my one thumb, or I could hold up just this finger, right? Or just my pinky, right? Which ones can you hold up? Can you hold up this is your ring finger right here. That's a hard one to hold up by itself. I guess I can kind of go like this, hold it like that, okay? But these are, you can just hold up, this is your index finger. You could hold up that one finger, okay? You could hold up just your pinky. Can you hold up just your pinky? Can you hold up just your thumb? All right, good job. So all of these, we're holding up one finger. That's one, that's one, that's one. They're all just 1. So on your sheet, what we're going to do is you want to grab your pencil or a marker, doesn't matter, pen, whatever you want. And we're going to shade in one finger that you're holding up. So let's say you're holding up your thumb. So we're going to color in the thumb. Okay, so we're going to write the number 1. Okay, and then for this one, remember we're not going to just put an X right here. We're not going to do the middle one, because that's not a nice thing to do. Okay, so we could also do, what's another finger we could shade? How about the pinky? We could shade in the pinky, right? And then we could put a 1 there. Okay, and then over here, you want to shade in 2 more fingers that you haven't shaded yet. So here is your index finger, right? So we can shade that in. We're going to be doing this all week, so I'm just going to help model it for you right now, okay? So that's one finger that we could color in. And the one finger could also be the ring finger, which is way over here. It's called the ring finger because when people get married, that's usually the finger that they put the ring on. It's called a ring finger. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so we've got 1 there. So 1 could be the thumb, one thumb, could be the pinky, it could be the index finger, or the ring finger. That's all 1. Okay? So what I want you to start to see this week, boys and girls, is no matter where you put things, it's still 1. Whether I'm holding up my index finger, or my pinky, or my thumb, that's still just 1. Okay? All right. Tomorrow we'll work on 2. All right? If you need more time to finish this, just pause the video and finish it up, and I'll see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.